How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one and this one too, as you can see, over 300K followers. That mean it doesn't, and it's powered by AI. That mean it doesn't exist, and a lot of real people followed her. As you can see, I don't know why the profile doesn't appear. So as you can see here, we have a lot of various pictures. So you can go and check out if you want. You can go and look at the profile if you want it. So here we have a lot of likes, comments. For example, this one, as I mentioned, over 300K followers, and it's powered by AI. I mean, it's an AI influencer and it doesn't exist. As you can see, there's the picture. So over 300K followers. I mean, a real people followed her, even it doesn't exist. It had a lot of comments, a lot of likes, so you can create yours too and start getting money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. And a lot of influencers or AI influencers earned millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to get money with it. First step you need to start your video on YouTube with AI influencers is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have actually to create it, because here we have hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started, so you can choose the one you want. You can, as you can see here, we have a lot of options. So you can find here use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. So you can choose the one you want and read about it. Then you will get more information about the website, how it works. As you can see here, we have AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video, streaming avatar, zipper. So this is all thing that has the website, and you can, or you have the opportunity to choose one of them to start with. So if we scroll down over here, you'll find an AI character introducing the website. If we more scroll, you'll find a lot of AI or other AI character explaining a specific topic. So here we have, for example, this one explaining product marketing, this one sales outreach, and this one learning and development, the other one content marketing. So we can choose yours too, and then you can get started with AI avatars. You can choose the AI character you want and the topic you want, and then you're gonna start. Here we have a lot of AI characters that have the website, so you can choose the one you want, and then you can get started. So to get started, you can just enter your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions. Then you can sign up. It will lead you to this homepage. So this is the homepage that we get. As you can see, I already have account. That's why I have here my recent creation. So if we scroll down, you'll find the hygiene learning guide. This is a guide that can help you if you didn't understand the AI studio, for example, how it works. You can just click over here and then you will get more information. And the same thing for video avatar, AI voice, video translation. If we scroll down, you'll find here templates. So you can find various templates with various AI character with the different topics, so you can choose the one you want to get started, and then you can choose a template and then you can start with. So here we have a lot of AI character, as you can see, explaining, or we can introduce in the topic. If we scroll down, you'll find here avatars. As you can see, we can find other ones here. So we can go to the studio avatar and we will dive into it. So we will find a lot of AI characters, so we can choose one to get started. You can choose the one suits you more, the one you want to get started. So for example, let's start with This one, as you can see, this is Daisy in t-shirt, so it's a description of the EI character. This three dot if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID, and this one if you want to create video with this avatar. So we gonna start with landscape because we gonna edit our video to start on YouTube. Here we have a lot of options. As you can see, this is our EI character. You can change the place of yours, so we can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle. You can also determine the size of your EI character, so it depends on how you want your video. And for the animation, you can add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave. So as you can see here, we have a various effect. There's fed, left, right, up, down, the same thing for the leave. So you can choose the one you want, and this is other options that can help you to edit your video and make it more professional. Here we can find the script, so you can delete the script and then you can add it another one. You can add it yours. If you want to add it another one, you can add it. If you want to add a post section between these two scripts, you can add it. So it will be 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more, so we can do it. It's depend on how you want the script. And if you want to add it recording, you can add it by clicking here. And also if you want to upload the audio, you can import it. So you can script by typing. If you find some difficulties on scripting, you can type the topic you want, and GPT script writer will help you to create one. And for the translation, you can translate the script if you want it, and you can select the language you want, and then you can click on apply. And also if you wanna change the voice, you can change it. As you can see here, we have a various voices, various type of voices. We have here natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and you can also select the language you want, so you can just choose the language of your voice. And also the gender, so I already choose the AI character female, so of course the voice will be female. And here we have various ages. You can see child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice, and the function too, so we can adjust the functions. It depends on how you want it. And there's a lot of options that you can use to edit your video and make it more professional to publish it on your YouTube channel. If you have finished, you can just click over here, submit, and then you gonna or your video it's gonna be ready to put it on your YouTube channel. So you're gonna start, for example, as an affiliate marketing to earn money through platforms like impact.com. As you can see, it's a platform that offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to promote or allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliate can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links, or you can just simply create a video guide. An AI influencer or using it can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So these two examples are just two ways. So there's a various way that you can start with to get your money. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.